Welcome to Milan, a city full of history, art, and hidden treasures. Among its many wonders, there is a truly unique church, the Chiesa di Santa Maria Incoronata. At first glance, it may look unusual, because it's not one, but actually two churches joined together. Today, let's explore the fascinating story behind this masterpiece. On the left side, we find the older church, which dates back to the medieval era. It was once cared for by the hermits of St. Mark. On the right side stands the newer church, built in 1460, commissioned by Bianca Maria Visconti and her husband Francesco Sforza. Their vision was to symbolize union, love, and faith by joining two churches into one harmonious building. That's why today we see a rare example of a double church, something you won't easily find anywhere else in the world. Inside, the church reveals its Gothic soul. Two parallel naves rise side by side, each ending with polygonal apses. Look closely at the chapels. They are decorated with stunning frescoes and religious artworks from the Renaissance period. One of the most extraordinary paintings is the Cristo sotto il torchio, Christ under the winepress, painted by Ambrogio da Fasano, known as Bergognone. This symbolic masterpiece connects the Passion of Christ with the Eucharist, making it one of the church's greatest treasures. Over the centuries, the church went through many changes. At times, it was used as a warehouse, a barracks, even a hospital. But in the early 1900s, architect Luca Beltrami led a restoration project that brought the building back to its original Gothic beauty, just as you can admire it today. The Chiesa di Santa Maria Incoronata is more than just a church, it's a story carved in stone. It represents love, devotion, resilience, and the power of faith to survive through centuries of change. For visitors in Milan, this hidden gem offers a peaceful escape from the busy city streets and a chance to step into a living symbol of history. So next time you walk along Corso Garibaldi, stop for a moment at Santa Maria Incoronata. Take in the beauty of its double naves, admire the frescoes, and reflect on the incredible story behind its walls. This is not just a monument, it is Milan's timeless reminder that unity and faith can truly build something eternal. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and join us as we explore more hidden gems of Milan and beyond.